you principle of potentiometer, which is V proportional to L when constant current flows. Then we did, if you are remembering, comparison of two cells by individual method using potentiometer, and we got E1 upon E2 is L1 by L2. Then sum and difference method, where we got E1 upon E2 is L1 plus L2 upon L1 minus L2. That much we have done in theory.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now next heading is describe a method to determine internal resistance of a cell using potentiometer. Describe method to determine internal resistance of a cell using potentiometer. Please write heading. Completed?
Yes, sir.
For theory, this is important. This is one cell having internal resistance R connected to external resistance capital R. Connected to external resistance capital R. Will it supply current? Circuit is
Yes.
closed, so it will supply current. Potential across external resistance is called terminal potential. Terminal means at these ends. Across A, B is same as voltage across R. They are called terminal. So are you aware that EMF of cell will become voltage across external plus voltage across internal, which is V plus IR? I think you all know this.
Yes, sir.
So whenever circuit is closed, then EMF of the cell is greater than terminal voltage when it is supplying the current. I hope this part you all understood now. When circuit
Yes,
is
sir.
closed, EMF is supplying the current, then its voltage is greater, then only it will supply. Suppose I cut the wire here. If the wire gets broken here, then will the current flow or not? Will the current flow when wire is broken?
No.
No, this is called open circuit. No current can flow if circuit is open. So in that case, current I is 0.
Yes.
So E will become V because I is 0 into R, E is V. That means voltage across this terminal, which is terminal potential difference, is EMF when battery is neither giving nor taking the current. That is called open circuit. See, open doesn't mean it should be broken only. If outside voltage, uska voltage same hai, तो ना देगा ना लेगा, it is called open circuit. Suppose it is chargeable battery and this is my charger whose voltage is V. Now, if charger is supplying current to this, how you will be able to see? Current entering to positive means it is getting charged. Coming out from positive, it is discharging. So now battery is giving the voltage to E plus IR both. In this case, V will be greater than E, or E is less than V. So there are three cases related to battery. Battery giving current, EMF greater. Battery taking current, EMF smaller. Neither giving nor taking, both are same to same. Okay.
Sir, can you explain third one again?
Which one? Third point.
Yes.
You have mobile.
Yes, sir.
We have to charge it again and again.
Yes.
So we connect it to the mains.
Yes, sir.
मतलब मेन का वोल्टेज अपना बैटरी से ज्यादा है ना, तभी ये कनेक्ट किया तो इसको करंट देता है ना ऐसा.
Yes, sir.
जब ये सेम टू सेम हो जाता है तो फुल्ली चार्ज दिखाता है ना अपने को.
Yes, sir.
So now see, this is supplying current. So this will give voltage to this also plus this also. Not follow?
Yes, sir. Follow.
So V is E plus I R. That means E is less than V. I hope followed now.
Yes, sir. Follow. Thank you.
तो तीन केसेस है, ये बराबर अच्छे से याद रखना. गिविंग देन ई बड़ा, टेकिंग देन ई छोटा, नाइदर गिविंग नॉर टेकिंग, सेम टू सेम. एनी डाउट इन दिस थ्री कॉन्सेप्ट?
No, sir.
This is called discharging. This is called charging. This is called open circuit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
मतलब इनडायरेक्टली अगर याद आया तो पोटेंशियोमीटर में ये बैलेंसिंग सेल का टाइम पे ये वोल्टेज और ये वोल्टेज सेम होता है ना, तभी हम लोग लिख देते हैं ना E1 इक्वल टू KL1, है ना.
Yes, sir.
इस ओपन सर्किट में काम करता है. हेलो. किधर हो अभी आप? हाँ, तो मोबाइल बीच में क्या डिस्चार्ज हो गया था? तो जब भी आप आए 9:30 बजे तभी चार्जिंग लगाने में भूल गए थे क्या? और फिर वापस 10:15 बजे, मैं 10 बजे लेक्चर चालू हुआ मेरा, तब तक अपना बात हुआ, फिर से आपका मोबाइल डिस्चार्ज हो गया. तो काय को चालू करने का जरूरत है? मेरे से बात हुआ, खत्म हो गया ना, चार्जिंग पे लगाओ ना. कितना काम है आपके पास? आपको बोला मेरा 11 बजे लेक्चर खत्म होगा, 11 से 11:15 गैप है, उसमें पेपर चेक करेंगे, तो आपका मोबाइल स्विच ऑफ आ रहा है, तो मैं भजन करूं इधर? बोला हुआ चीज समझता नहीं आपको. एक तो इतना टफ टाइम से गुजर रहे, सब चीज काम करने को इतना इजी लगता है कि आपको आपको बहुत इजी लगता है खाली बैलेंस भेजने के लिए. अभी पूरा कंटिन्यूअस लेक्चर है मेरा 3:30 तक. अभी क्या करूंगा बताओ आप मुझे? आज मैं खुद खाना खाने वाला हूँ 3:30 बजे, उसका सिर्फ 5 बजे चालू होएगा. तो कौन से टाइम पे आपसे मैं बात करके पेपर करेक्ट करूँ? 3 को टाइम लगेगा ना, 3 क्या 1 भी हो तो टाइम लगने वाला है क्या? नहीं. काम कंप्लीट हुआ तो कंप्लीट होता है, नहीं तो थोड़ा भी कम है तो नहीं है ना, इनकम्प्लीट है. 3 होएगा कि 2 मिनट में? 15 मिनट लगेगा ना 3 के लिए, क्या नहीं लगेगा? तो 15 मिनट कहां से टाइम निकालू? कंटिन्यूअस लेक्चर पे लेक्चर है तो. अभी एक ही टाइम बचेगा, 3:30 बजे आपके साथ बात करके फिर मैं खाना स्किप कर दूं. आप करते हो क्या स्किप कभी? आप लोग यार बोला वो चीज समझता नहीं. अभी ये पेपर जो मैं भेजा वो चेक करो. आज जो भी भेजा दिख नहीं रहा है क्या? ब्रेकडाउन ऑसिलेशन का है. जितना है पहले वो करो, रामायण मत पूछो मुझसे. पूरा है आधा है, आपको क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है? जो है उसको करो, उसके बाद पेपर बनाना 11 का. हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we got three concepts. When battery is supplying current, means getting discharge. So E is same as V. Sorry, E is greater than V. But when battery is taking current from outside, then E is less than V. Same way, when neither giving nor taking, then E is same as V. Okay. So if you know all this, then only we can attempt describe method to find internal resistance of cell using potentiometer. Anybody is having doubt, please ask right now. No doubt now?
No, sir.
Right now there is
No,
no doubt. If doubt comes, then you ask. Chalo. I'm starting with the circuit diagram. Whenever you see that word using potentiometer, तो ये diagram fix है. AC. Consider potentiometer wire AC having uniform area of cross section A, specific resistance rho, length L stretched on a wooden board. A battery of EMF E, Lucky K, rheostat RH are connected in series across wire AC to send constant current I. Same to same diagram, same to same wording. Positive terminal of battery of EMF E1 whose internal resistance R is to be determined is connected to end A. Negative terminal is connected to one end of galvanometer. Other end of galvanometer is connected to jockey, which can slide over wire AC. By sliding jockey, null point P is obtained. इधर तक रुक जाते हैं. अभी देखो क्या. A shunt resistance. Shunt means parallel. A shunt resistance R of known value is connected along with lucky K1 across battery of EMF E1. Circuit till this followed?
Yes.
So please complete till this, then I will explain what is L1, L2, P and Q. Once you draw the diagram, please tell me so that I can proceed with the theory.
Hence,
First paragraph, we explain circuit diagram. then working, and then calculation. This is what we have been following. So I'm just explaining the first paragraph from the circuit. Consider potentiometer wire AC. Consider potentiometer wire AC having uniform area Consider potentiometer wire AC having uniform area of cross section A, comma, specific resistance rho, comma, length L stretched on a wooden pole. Stretched on a wooden pole. Next paragraph, a battery of EMF E, comma, plug PK, comma, rheostat RF are connected in series across AC to send constant current I. That means this upper part I have given you full explanation. Complete. Done till this? Yes, completed. No?
Yes.
Now with A what we connect? Positive terminal or negative terminal?
Positive term.
Positive term.
The positive terminal of battery of EMF E1 whose internal resistance small r is to be determined is connected to end A. The negative terminal is connected to one end of galvanometer. The negative terminal is connected to one end of galvanometer. The other end of galvanometer is connected to the jockey. A shunt resistance capital R of known value is connected across battery of EMF E1. Yes, copy till this, then working part will see. Yes, completed.
Done, sir.
Now, initially keeping plug key K1 open. If this K1 is open, so it is as good as this is not connected, ना? मतलब वो शो पीस है ना, कुछ काम का नहीं. So initially keeping plug key K1 open and sliding jockey null point P is found L1 be the distance of null point P. So this time this terminal ka voltage will be even because neither it is giving current nor taking the current. Then EMF is same as terminal voltage. I think you followed this. Hello. If this key is not connected, मतलब ये रेजिस्टेंस कुछ काम का नहीं है ना.
Yes.
तो ये इधर से करंट आया, when it is getting balanced, तो ये पूरा वोल्टेज और इसका वोल्टेज सेम टू सेम है ना. So I can say E1 is KL1. Not followed. Why I can say E1 is KL1?
I got you.
Okay. So can I write like this? Initially keeping plug key K1 open and sliding jockey null point P is found. Let L1 be the distance of null point P from end A. Therefore, E1 is KL1. Copy this paragraph. हेलो, हाँ मैडम बोलिए. कल फिर थोड़ा लेट चलेगा, 7 बजे. नहीं सॉरी, इवनिंग 7 बजे चलेगा ना. 9 की जगह पे पहले थोड़ा 7 बजे. हाँ चलेगा ना. अच्छा, तो फिर नहीं, फिर 8 बजे ले सकता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि 9 बजे ना मेरा क्लास है. 7 से 9 के बीच में मुझे टाइम है. 4 बजे नहीं, 4 बजे एक्चुअली दूसरा लेक्चर है. हाँ 8 बजे ले सकता हूँ. चलेगा चलेगा कोई. हाँ हाँ नहीं, अभी तो बहुत अच्छा पिकअप किया है, बहुत अच्छा है. मतलब देखो, अगर बच्चा इंटरेस्ट लेता है ना तो खुद को ही मूड लगता है ना करने के लिए. अच्छा, तो ये टेस्ट जाने दीजिए. तो उसको एक पेपर बोलता हूँ कि वो आपके सामने लीजिए, देखता हूँ कैसे करता है. क्योंकि अभी उसका प्रेजेंट है। देखिए क्या कैंसिलेशन कम होता है और ज्यादा टिक नहीं है, मतलब कर रहा है थोड़ा। नहीं कर रहा है मैडम, कर रहा है। मतलब कि मुझे कुछ समझ में आता है ना, क्योंकि जो नहीं आता है वो छोड़ देता है ईमानदारी से। ठीक है, मैं कल करा लेता हूँ। यस, completed till even scale 1।
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
देखो एक बच्चा है, अभी वो 12th में है, मुझे फोन आया था ना, उनके पेरेंट बोलते हैं सर वो मेरे सामने लिखता नहीं टेस्ट, दरवाजा बंद करके लिखता है। तो इसका क्या सॉल्यूशन है? कुछ है आपके पास सॉल्यूशन? तो मैं बता दूं उनको। करण बोरा, कुछ है क्या सॉल्यूशन? मतलब वो बच्चा अभी मुझे लगता है ना चिड़चिड़ा हो गया रहेगा, मतलब सैचुरेट, बार बार पेरेंट्स ध्यान देते हैं ना, जबरदस्ती बंद करके लिखा होगा। So I feel, see, for you all also I'm telling, you have to be always free with everybody. Don't be having that hesitant, क्या बोलूं नहीं बोलूं, तो उसमें ना things goes wrong. Like if I have some difficulty, I will ask you frankly. If whatever I feel, same way you also do. Otherwise, na, there will be a gap which can never be filled. Then that will lead to a problem. Now situation is such that no hide and seek. जो है वो बोल दो सीधा, and we can find the solutions. So I think till this you followed. When K1 is open, then the sliding jockey will balance E1 across length L1. Therefore, E1 equal to KL1. Rajvardhan,
Yes, sir.
till this you followed. E1 is KL1.
Yes, sir.
देखो आप कोई भी मीटिंग में ना पेरेंट्स को अभी तक मुझसे मिलाए नहीं, तो क्या मैं घर पे खुद आ जाऊँ क्या जून के बाद एक दिन टाइम देके?
No, sir.
क्योंकि एक भी मीटिंग में आपने वीडियो ऑन नहीं रखा, ना तो पेरेंट्स को बुलाया, ना कुछ पार्टिसिपेट किया, तो मुझे खुद समझ में नहीं आता है आपका जो डीपी है वो कार वाला, वो कार रिपेयरिंग चालू है क्या, कार खरीदने वाले, क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
नहीं सर, मेरी मॉम थी मेरे बाजू में।
अच्छा, लेकिन कभी आप वीडियो ऑन ही नहीं करते हैं। अरे मुझे कैसा समझेगा मम्मी को पता चल रहा है कि नहीं हम लोग क्या सीख रहे हैं? तो नेक्स्ट टाइम थोड़ा एक बार कम्युनिकेशन कराओ,
ओके सर।
तो उससे क्या उनको भी कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा ना, वेदर चाइल्ड इज इन सेफ हैंड और नॉट, क्या खाली दूर से ही फोटो दिखा रहा है ऐसा गाड़ी खरीदने वाला हो। ओके, आइदर मम्मी और डैडी एटलीस्ट वंस वी शुड इंटरेक्ट।
ओके सर।
आगे चलते हैं अभी। So initially keeping plug key open, sliding jockey null point P is found. Let L1 be the distance of null point P from end A. Therefore, E1 equal to KL1. But I am interested in internal resistance R. उसके लिए वो प्लग की K1 के साथ शंट कनेक्ट किया। अब शंट कनेक्ट किया तो क्या होएगा देखो। प्रांजलि, आर्या, ईशा, नेहा,
Yes, sir.
when we connect this plug key K1, will that resistance, shunt resistance R, get connected across E1 or not? Question followed? I said अगर मैं वो K1 को प्लग की इंसर्ट कर दूं K1, तो ये सर्किट क्लोज्ड हो जाएगा क्या, इट विल रिमेन ओपन?
Closed.
Closed.
No.
Correct. So when I connect this K1, now this will get connected. तो इधर से जो करंट आया ना वो इधर भी फ्लो होएगा ना, सपोज I1.
Yes.
Now this current will have potential drop across this. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो ये पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप E1 के जितना रहेगा क्या E1 से कम रहेगा? ये E1 है, इधर से करंट आया एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस R में, तो अभी इसका अंदर वोल्टेज E1 से कम है क्या E1 से ज्यादा है क्या सेम है?
Come है.
कम है। वेरी गुड, करेक्ट। वो होएगा V equal to I1 into R which is less than EMF because battery is supplying। ये समझ गया तो आपको ये पूरा थियरी समझ गया। एवरीबॉडी हैज फॉलोड? ये सेपरेटली इधर दिखाया मैंने सेल, ये E1, ये इधर रेजिस्टेंस, ये शंटिंग, तो इधर से करंट फ्लो होएगा ना, सो कैन आई से ये टर्मिनल वोल्टेज जो पहला E1 था अभी वो V होएगा which is less than E1. Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This was battery. Okay. At the start this was connected but plug की open किया तो disconnect जैसा ही था. Then this EMF was getting balanced across this wire by KL1. But when I shunt this, now this voltage is not E1. This voltage is V, which is less than E1 now. Hello?
Yes. Yes.
So it will be balancing before or after or at same point?
Before.
Before, क्योंकि अभी इसको कम लेंथ लगेगा to balance because voltage कम हो गया. Now I'm telling second part. Now by inserting plug key K1 current I1 passes through shunt resistance capital R and potential across battery becomes terminal potential difference comma V equal to I1 R. Jasmita followed?
Yes, sir.
Now by sliding jockey null point Q is obtained. Let L2 be the distance of null point Q from end A. Therefore, I1R is KL2. Everybody has understood till this? I1R is KL2.
Yes, sir.
So I1 means E1 upon R plus R into R is KL2 equation. So copy it in this. Shall I clear?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, just a second.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, Nija say.
Sir, please send me the current electricity 11th standard notes and the videos.
Yes, I will. Videos I will send. Notes I have given them in written.
Okay, sir. So please send the videos.
I will send all the notes, don't worry. But I have explained you everything. But still I will send, don't worry.
Thank you.
Done, sir.
Now dividing equation 1 by 2, we get E1 upon E1 R plus R into R is L1 by L2. E1 cancel. This 1 upon A is A. So this will go up. It will become R plus R upon capital R is L1 upon L2. So R by R plus R by R is L1 by L2, RR cancel. R by R plus 1 is L1 by L2. L1 by L2 minus 1. Small r is capital R, L1 upon L2 minus 1. So now we can find internal resistance by using this formula. हाँ? मैंने अभी भिजवा देता ना उसको, जल्दी मतलब हाँ हाँ ठीक है, इसको भेजता हूँ, आप निकलो, मैं भेजता हूँ। हाँ हाँ भाई। Yes, follow not till last term. R is capital R, L1 by L2 minus 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So using above formula, internal resistance small r can be determined. Just copy it in this, within 1 minute I will do that. वही हो शायद हो गया। अब केएम में भी चालू है, फोन किया तो उनका एक मैडम है, वो बोले कि आप आ जाइए जल्दी, मैं करा दूंगा उसको, लेकिन बुकिंग में बुक दिखा रहा है। आप यश के साथ जाओगे कि आप आगे निकल रहे हो? हाँ तो आप एरोडी के टर्निंग में रुको, यश आपको मिलेगा उधर। ठीक है, टर्निंग मतलब जो, ठीक है, जो वीटी साइड जाते हैं वही ना? ठीक है, गाड़ी से निकल जाएंगे, गाड़ी से निकल जाएंगे। अच्छा, उनका काम नहीं करते जब तक होता है काम, कल से परेशान है, देखा मानना ही पड़ेगा, बहुत जिद्दी है। पैर तकलीफ है, सच में पैर तकलीफ है, सब तकलीफ अपने लोग देते हैं। Yes, completed now.
Yes, sir.
So all theory we have completed of current electricity. Now from that MCQ sheet, I am solving few MCQs for you. Let's come to that. Just open that PDF which is sent to you, current electricity wala. Last class I did for you till 23. Now I'm doing 24th because it is difficult one. Even if you might have started trying, you might not have got the answer of that. 24th. If switch shown in figure is closed, then this is 20 volt, 5 volt, 4 ohm, 2 ohm. This is grounded. They're telling if the switch is shown in the circuit, here there is switch. If this is closed, then what will be the current through the switch? I'm calling this point as A, this as B, this as C, this earthing as D. When switch is closed, current flows from where to where? Hello, current flows from where to where? आएगी तो रुकेगी उधर एरोली का जो टर्निंग है ना, जो वीटी जाने का रास्ता है, उधर रुकेगी क्योंकि कोई तो और था, उसका भी गाड़ी था, तो एक गाड़ी में ज्यादा जन अलाउड नहीं, तो मन में उतर जाएगी, तो उधर ही आपको मिलेगी. हेलो हेलो.
Yes.
Current flows from where to where? So much time to think. Current flows from where to
Higher
where?
potential from
Ah,
High to low.
yes, this
higher
is
to
your
low.
answer. High to low, correct. So if this is 20, ये switch में चाहिए ना current, ये तो zero है ना, because it is earth, correct no? Voltage of D is zero.
Yes, sir.
So that means current when starts from here, it will enter like this. Suppose this is I1. फिर इधर से current जो आएगा I2 ऐसा enter होएगा. So this is I2, this is I1. In this switch, current will be I1 plus I2. If I call this as R1, this as R2, this as R3. Hello?
Yes.
So can I say by Kirchhoff's current law? Circuit is open type, so I will generally use Kirchhoff's current law. By Kirchhoff's current law, at junction B, I1 is entering, I2 is entering, and I1 plus I2 is leaving, total is 0. Minus means leaving. This line follow. At junction B, I1 is entering, I2 is entering, I1 plus I2 is leaving. Okay.
Yes.
See, we are interested in current, but we know voltage and resistance. So current का तो ये भी formula है ना, potential difference upon resistance by Ohm's law. Potential difference upon resistance minus. This is VB minus VD upon resistance equal to 0. Any doubt again till this statement? Any?
No.
No. Now VA is 20, VB I don't know. R1 is 2 plus VC is 5 minus VB upon R2. Again VB I don't know. VD is 0 upon R3 is 2. This is 4 equal to 0. If I multiply throughout by 2, throughout by 4 in fact, throughout by 4, we get 4 into 20 will become 2 into 20 minus VB because 4 upon 2 is 2 plus 5 minus VB plus 4 upon 2 is 2 minus into only VB equal to 0. Any doubt in calculation now? This was concept, this is calculation. So 40 minus 2 VB plus 5 minus VB minus 2 VB equal to 0. 40 plus 5 is 45 minus 5 VB equal to 0. So 45 is 5 VB, therefore VB is 9 volt. So I got voltage at B is 9, voltage at D is 0. By Ohm's law I can get na current flowing through this branch.
Yes, sir.
So we can say therefore I1 plus I2 is VB minus VD upon 2, which will be 4.5 ampere. Now copy. This was, yes, difficult sum. JEE का है. Copy 24.
Done, sir.
Okay. Whichever I feel you cannot do that I am explaining, then in doubt solving I will do. 25th is easy, 26th you can manage, 27th
So
also,
could you do the diagram of 25th?
25th, okay. Diagram is missing. This is a battery of 220 volt, one resistance, two resistance, three resistance, four, five, all are equal, connected in parallel. Each resistance is 1100 ohm, all are equal, and value is 1 point. This is ammeter connected, you want current. Please try right now. We want current through this ammeter. Just check whether you can get.
So option C.
What is C option given?
3/5.
Correct. 3 by 5 is absolutely right. First, you will find total current, which is total voltage upon total resistance. Total voltage 250, total resistance will be R by 5 because they are in parallel. Equal parallel. So 5 equal is R by 5. 5 upon 1100 matlab 1 ampere aaya. So this 1 ampere which is starting from here will get equally divided in all the branch because parallel mein voltage same. So current is equally divided. 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. This 1 by 5 from here comes adds with 1 by 5. तो इधर 2 by 5 हो जाएगा. फिर ये 1 by 5 के साथ ऐड होके 3 by 5 होएगा. 3 by 5 is correct answer. 3 by 5. So I am doing lines here. 26 I am explaining you all. Complete this. Completed 25th now. 26th. Anybody has tried 26? Yes, anybody got the answer of 26 or any idea? We want magnitude of current and direction of current. Current flows from where to where? High to low or low to high?
High to low.
High to low.
This
High to low.
voltage is, this is high na as compared to this. 10 volt is higher na.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That means it will start from 10 and it will go like this. 10 का positive से start होएगा. From where to where it is going? A to E. Correct? Direction is A to E.
Yes, sir.
Direction of current is A to E. I magnitude. What is total voltage? These two cells are assisting or opposing?
Opposing.
Opposing.
Plus plus connected together, opposing. Correct. So 10 minus 4, 6 volt is total voltage.
Yes.
And total current is total voltage upon total resistance. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So current is 1 ampere going from A to E. Any doubt? 1 ampere from A to E, D option. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Tell me 27th wala. This everybody 1.7 answer. Correct. Option A. Everybody knew how to do? Are you knowing or shall I explain you? 2 and 2 becomes 4. 4 में से 1 गया, 3 left out. 3 में से 1.3 gone, then 1.7 is left out. Now come to 28. Sum number 28. For the network shown, this is the diagram. 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4, 6, 4, B. Find what is value of current in the circuit. To get current, what we require? If we want total current, what we require? Yes. To get total current, what we require? Again, so much time to think. To get total current, what we want?
Totally.
Huh? What we want? To get total current, what we require?
Totally.
Avan, your voice is getting disconnected, not audible properly. What we require to get total current?
Total resistance.
We require total resistance. Only one thing we require, total resistance.
Voltage.
Voltage.
Hello.
Answer should be always we require total voltage and total resistance. Total voltage is battery voltage V, total resistance I need to find. अब ये quadrilateral जाना पहचाना लग रहा है ना, ऐसा कुछ रहता है Wheatstone में. When we can remove this opposite wala, diagonal wala, when we can remove? When it is balanced, no?
Yes, sir.
So what you can see, 4 and this 3, is it 12? Is R1, R3, that is 4 into 3, 12, is same as R2, R4?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That means it is balanced network.
Yes.
So if it is balanced, I can remove the resistance connected across this diagram. Now I think it's oral affair. This is 4, this one is 2. What is 4 and 2 ka series? Yes, 6, very good. 6. And what is 6 and 3 ka series?
9.
9. Now these two are in parallel. 6 and 9 ka parallel tell, what will be the answer? 6 into 9 upon 6 plus 9, product upon sum, 54 upon 15. 9 and 6, 15, 9 into 5, 6 and 3, 9. So 3 into 5, 3 into 18. Now current I can say voltage upon 18 by 5, which is 5V upon 18. 5V upon 18 option. Completed?
Yes.
29th is also important circuit. You will require my help. If voltage across AB is 4 in the given figure, then resistance X is how much? This is A point, 10 ohm, 5 volt, 2 volt, X. This is B. Voltage across AB is given 4 volt. Now if I look above AB and below AB, I get idea they are parallel circuit. This is high voltage, so current ऐसा आएगा, ऐसा जाएगा. That means for upper part, if I call APB and lower part, if I call AQB, एक का अंदर से करंट इज कमिंग आउट और दूसरे का इट इज एंटरिंग. सो फॉर ए पी बी part, battery is supplying the current, means it is giving, battery is supplying the current. So terminal voltage is greater or smaller or equal? Yes,
Greater.
no, greater कैसा, smaller होएगा ना, ये बैटरी है ना, EMF E1 वाला, ये सप्लाई कर रहा है, तो E1 बड़ा है ना,
E1 will be
E1 will be greater. So that means E1 will be voltage plus current I. I'm talking about only upper part, huh? This much. Current I into this resistance R1. Okay. So 5 equals to V plus I into 10. That means 5 equals to 4 plus 10I. 1 equals to 10I. So I equals to 1 by 10 ampere. Now for lower part, AQB, battery is getting current, not supplying, but somebody is giving it current, getting current. So voltage V is E2 plus I into X, which we have to calculate. Voltage is 4, E2 is 2 plus I we got 1 by 10 into X. So 4 minus 2 is 1 by 10 into X. 2 equals to 1 by 10x. X equals to 20 ohms. X equals to 20 ohms is the answer. Option complete. क्यों? नहीं, ये तो अभी भी 18 प्लस पीपल अलाउड. मम्मी नहीं कर रही. Completed?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Tomorrow our evening class 9 to 10. See, already I have completed till 29. You will try to complete till 50. Maximum doubt I will clear. So till 50 should be your target, and our target to complete by tomorrow evening.